Career Insights is for students that want to gain a practical insight into their subject. This might be a subject that they've studied during the year at school, or it might be something brand new, but gaining an insight into what it actually means to work in these industries is an amazing way to set yourself up for a future career. The Immerse Education Career Insights program gives young students an opportunity to be immersed in an industry, to have classroom learning supported by industry experiences across the city, to build their own network, and to put themselves in the place of people who are really changing the face of these industries. We offer a range of subjects for Career Insights, from business management to AI and technology, or creative subjects, architecture and design, software development and AI. Career Insights is designed and delivered by industry experts, those with experience working at the forefront of these industries. New York, London, San Francisco and Tokyo are all incredible cities, really at the forefront of these industries. In a typical 2 weeks, students will have classroom learning to support foundational knowledge of the subject, but really the bulk of the program is getting out and about in the city and into the industry. You'll also have social and cultural activities across the city, really becoming at home in one of these amazing places to work in the future. Participants leave Career Insights able to properly plan for their future, with the confidence and the clarity to return to their studies and set themselves up for any opportunity they want in the future. We really hope to see you in the summer to experience this program for yourself.